Welcome to this Hooponopono meditation for healing relationship issues. If you are carrying pain, anger, disappointment, guilt, or sadness because of your relationship, this is a space to gently return to peace within yourself. You may be thinking about a partner, a family member, a friend, a colleague, or someone from your past. You do not need to force anything to change today. You do not need to deny what happened or accept behavior that hurt you. This meditation is simply an opportunity to release the emotional weight you have been holding in your heart. Through this healing words of Hooponopono, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You will create space for compassion, forgiveness, inner freedom, and peace. Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to relax and take a slow deep breath. This time is for your healing. This time is for your heart. This time is for choosing peace. So let us start our meditation. Find a comfortable position. You may sit or lie down. Allow your hands to rest softly and close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. Take a slow deep breath in and gently breathe out. Again, breathe in peace and breathe out the tension you have been carrying. One more try. Breathe in love and breathe out hurt, blame, fear, and heaviness. Now, bring to your mind the relationship that feels difficult or painful. It may be with a partner, it may be with a family member, or a friend, or a colleague, or even someone from your past. You do not need to replay every detail. Simply allow this person or the feeling connected to this relationship to come gently into your awareness. Notice what is present in your heart. Perhaps there is sadness. Perhaps there is anger or disappointment or guilt or fear or a longing. Allow yourself to feel it without judging it. Place one hand over your heart center. Say silently or softly, I am willing to release the pain I have been holding. I am willing to choose peace within myself. Now, imagine a soft, warm light glowing in the center of your heart. With every breath, this light becomes calmer, brighter, and more loving. Feel it completely. Imagine this light surrounding you first. Say with me, I am sorry for the pain, fear, and misunderstanding I have been carrying with me. I am sorry for the moments I did not know how to love myself fully. Please forgive me for holding on to the resentment, blame, guilt, or old stories. Please forgive me for the ways I may have hurt myself through the painful thoughts. Thank you. Thank you for helping me to see what needs healing. Thank you for the lessons that are guiding me back to love. I love you. I love and accept myself exactly as I am in this moment. I choose to treat my heart with compassion. Now, gently bring the other person into your mind. Imagine them standing at a comfortable distance from you, surrounded by their own soft healing light. You do not have to excuse any harmful behavior. You do not have to force the forgiveness. You are simply allowing your heart to become free from the burden of pain from your heart. Repeat slowly, I am sorry for the pain, misunderstanding, and heaviness between us. Please forgive me for anything I may have done knowingly or unknowingly that caused hurt within me. Thank you. Thank you for the lessons. Thank you for the growth. And thank you for the healing this relationship has invited into my life. I love you and I release you with love, and I release myself with love, and I choose peace within me. Repeat the 4 phrases of Hooponopono quietly and allowing each one of it settle deeply within you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Once again, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel the healing light around both of you becoming brighter and brighter. Imagine the old thoughts of pain, anger, blame, and fear gently dissolving into this light. Say with me, I release what is no longer serving the love. I release the need to control the outcome. I allow healing to unfold in the highest and healthiest way. I choose relationships that honor peace, respect, truth, and love. Now, bring your awareness back to your own heart. Feel yourself becoming lighter. Feel yourself returning to your own inner peace. Take a deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Whisper to yourself, I forgive myself. I choose peace. I am worthy of loving and healthy relationships. And I am open to healing. When you are ready, gently move your fingers and toes. Take one final deep breath and slowly open your eyes. Carry this peace with you. Thank you.